So I'm going to say this. I'm excited for Cooper Webb to come back. And this is from, I'm reading this from Lewis Phillips on Twitter or X or whatever you want to call it, saying, look for Cooper Webb to return at Unadilla. That's pretty cool. I mean, obviously, he's been out for a long time with the thumb injury and just barely back on the bike for whatever it is, a week or two, or he's going to be when he said he was doing the turn track only. So he's probably not going to be, top form. Let's be honest about that. If he's even top 5 podium, that's going to be awesome. Any added competition always makes things better. Obviously, this is for points for SMX. I'm assuming he's going to be available for, or not available for, but qualified for. He had a pretty good Supercross season, so I can't believe he's out of it. If somebody knows, actually comment down below. Tell me if I'm wrong or if I'm right, whatever it is. Comment down below. And I don't know, I'm excited for this. Obviously, with Ken Roczen missing, Cooper Webb missing, Eli Tomac missing, there's a lot of big names that just aren't racing in motocross right now, and that's injury related, so sucks. It's not just them deciding they don't want to do it, but I don't know. I really like more competition. The most people you can have that are all, podium guys or top 10 guys all racing at a high competitive speed, it just makes the product better. The viewership better. It's a better thing to spend your time watching. And with him coming back and Tomac coming back sometime soon, hopefully also Supercross or SMX coming around, and then we're right back to Supercross again. But comment down below, you guys tell me, who do you think wins the 250s? Who do you think wins the 450 title for outdoors? Probably Jet Lawrence for the 450s. Let's just be honest about that. But comment whatever you want down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.